Okay, let's look at the grid enhancer with the copy paste from Excel. Going to go to create a student block, add a new value. And so here's a simple grid with ID and academic career. Let's say we have 50 students that we need to rapidly enter into that grid. I've just got my students here in a spreadsheet, and I'm just going to copy and paste out of Excel. Let's launch the grid here. Just going to paste. Right, so I've got my IDs here in my grid, and I'm just going to push to PeopleSoft, and you can see so I'm just letting the JavaScript handle the insertions into the table. Okay, it's all done. There's my data.